So here we are talking about cash flow management, and we're looking at the common mistakes that businesses make when it comes to cash flow. Today we're looking at number 5, which is business owners taking too much cash out of the business. This is a really common mistake that many business owners make, and there's kind of this assumption that the money in the bank account is your money. Well, no, it's actually not. It's the business's money, and depending on what structure you're in, it is important for you to consider how you should be utilising the profits that essentially the business is making. When it comes to profit, there's 3 things that you can do with it. And if you really want to grow your business and you want to manage cash flow well in your business, then you've got to consider how you actually spend that profit and the cash that you're taking out of the business. So 3 things you can do with profit, and they are, firstly, of course, you can take it out. So what I'm suggesting that is, if you do take it out, you actually limit the amount that you take out, and you make a strategic decision in terms of how much am I going to pay myself as a dividend from my business. And it certainly shouldn't be 100%, maybe 20%, but whatever the business can afford, depending on your growth strategy. The second thing that you've got to consider is the business is going to need working capital. Cash is the oxygen that your business needs in order to grow. So when we look at what else we can do, we can invest it back in, and we should. So investing in the business is a really critical part to managing that profit and cash flow going forward. We've got to dedicate a fair degree of our profit to reinvesting back in and growing. And the final thing that we can do with profit is actually pay down our debt. So when you look at it in this framework, then 3 things that we can do with profit: we either take it out, we invest it back in, or we pay down debt. Now, wouldn't it be great if you actually headed into the next financial year with a strategy and a plan of how you're going to spend your profit? Because I guarantee if you do that with that sort of framework, you're going to be much better at managing your cash flow. You're not going to strip it all out for lifestyle purposes, and you're going to allow enough for the business to be able to grow over the next 12 months.
For more information about improving your financial literacy or Acceler8's financial education workshops, please visit www.acceler8program.com.au.